Today's display is not just another large screen. It is closer to a full interactive workspace that completely changes how people present, teach, and collaborate in real environments. This is a 98-inch 4K interactive touchscreen smartboard designed for professional use in offices, classrooms, training centers, and high-end meeting spaces. The first thing that hits you is the scale. At 98 inches, this is not something you casually place in a room. It dominates the space and instantly becomes the focal point of every discussion happening in front of it. But size alone is not the story here. The real upgrade comes from interactivity. This display supports full touch control, meaning you can write directly on the screen, move objects, annotate documents, sketch ideas, and control presentations without needing a separate device. It behaves like a massive digital canvas built for group interaction. Inside, the system runs on a Core i7 processor paired with 8 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD storage. That makes it capable of functioning as a standalone computing unit. You are not dependent on an external PC for basic operations, which simplifies setup in meeting rooms and classrooms. Everything feels more streamlined. Power it on, and you are immediately in a ready-to-use environment for presenting, teaching, or collaborating. One of the strongest aspects is the multi-touch capability. Multiple users can interact with the screen at the same time. This turns meetings into active sessions instead of passive presentations. Ideas can be drawn, edited, and refined in real time by different people on the same surface. Responsiveness is critical in a product like this, and here the touch experience feels smooth and natural. There is minimal delay between input and response, which keeps the workflow uninterrupted. When people are collaborating, even slight lag can break the rhythm, so this becomes an important advantage. The 4K resolution ensures that clarity is not lost despite the massive size. On a screen this large, resolution matters more than ever. Text remains crisp, visuals stay detailed, and charts or diagrams are readable even from the back of a room. This makes it especially useful in large meeting environments where visibility is essential for everyone in the room, not just those sitting close to the screen. In education, this type of display replaces traditional teaching tools completely. Instead of using a chalkboard or projector setup, instructors can combine writing, multimedia, and interactive learning tools in one place. Lessons become more dynamic and visually engaging. Students can also participate directly on the screen, making learning more interactive rather than one-directional. In business environments, it becomes a central collaboration hub. Teams can brainstorm ideas, annotate presentations, review documents together, and even connect remote participants through shared visual content. It also works as a digital signage system when not being actively used. That means it can display announcements, dashboards, schedules, or branded visuals in reception areas or office lobbies, making it useful even outside of meetings. What makes this kind of product powerful is not just its technical specifications, but how it changes the behavior inside a room. People naturally gather around it. Conversations become more visual. Decision-making becomes faster because everything is displayed and edited in real time. It replaces multiple tools at once. Instead of a projector, whiteboard, external PC, and annotation tools, everything is integrated into one system. That consolidation reduces complexity and improves efficiency. Installation is fixed, meaning this is designed to be a permanent setup. Once mounted, it becomes part of the room's infrastructure rather than a movable device. That makes it ideal for dedicated conference rooms, training centers, and educational institutions. Setup does require proper mounting due to the size, but once installed, the experience is seamless and stable. The overall value of this system comes from how it transforms collaboration into something more interactive and visual. It supports modern workflows where teams are not just presenting ideas, but actively building them together on the same digital surface. For organizations looking to upgrade from traditional presentation tools, this kind of smartboard represents a major shift toward more connected and efficient communication spaces. If you want full specifications, pricing, or purchase details, check the link in the description below.